Make good money in the star murals and painting business. As a house painter, most people think of power washing, window washing, or drywall repair as add-ons for their painting business. Star Murals is a fun add-on and not just for kids. My name is Lee Cusano and I have been in the house painting business since the early 1990s. Around 2005 I discovered this exciting star mural concept and I have been hooked ever since. One profitable painting business and one powerful add-on called Amazing Star Murals. While all these add-ons can be natural moneymakers for painters, one powerful add-on can become more of a main painting business than painting itself. It's light work and can produce more free business or referrals than anything else simply because people love to share cool things they just bought. A referral is a happy customer who highly recommends your work. Plus with Star Murals beginner wages is $50 an hour. Not too shabby for a specialty type of service. Millions of homes and ceilings. There is a sea of possible houses and customers for both painting and star murals in every town and worldwide. People love lights. Stars containing real star light calm the mind and melts away the day's problems. Also, people love Christmas lights, 4th of July fireworks, etc. Just take note of all the oohs and ahs. Enjoying a Friday night because of something you love doing. Being your own boss means having extra money to do the fun things with your family, wife or girlfriend. Wives and girlfriends love to eat out, so treating them regularly will give you guys bonus points. Have fun being your own boss. Just visit paintingbusinessman.com. Getting a reliable business partner means bigger jobs and making the best money possible. Plus you can have fun laughing and working together each day. AmazingStarMurals.com. Make $100 to $200 at the speed of light. Making money faster, easier and in bigger chunks is a real business for sure. Star Murals is super light work and super fast to complete. If you need a good paying job, you can create your own in the painting world. No one can fire you and you can come and go as you wish. I love commercial and residential painting, and some of the newer paint coatings out there are fun to use and look totally awesome when finished. Just ask me which brands I recommend. For more info on both businesses, please visit my blog at paintingbusinessman.com and get my free report below called How to Make $1,000 a Day.